Hey folks, welcome to Math 54 Statistics, summer 2020. I was planning on giving this little talk on Tuesday, but just in case I pre-recorded it, I'm having some plumbing issues at my apartment, and so I have to leave my place and my internet connection, so I'm going to be somewhere where I'm not sure if I have good internet. So just in case, I'm just going to go over some things now. Make sure you log into Canvas. Let's see. So as soon as you go into Canvas, it says welcome to stats class. And then there's a little link to this video again, but I also sent it out in announcements. Hopefully you find it. And then right below that, it says TI 83 or 83 plus or 84 or 84 plus. That's basically a little survey to find out if you were able to get the calculator. I was sending out little messages earlier this week and the week prior. Hopefully you were able to get your hands on one. If not, don't freak out. So basically, first week's normally complicated, but because I'm going to be sort of apartmentless and away from my computer, it's going to be super complicated for both of us. So bear with me. The main rule for this class is just be chill, just be cool. It'll all work out. Don't freak out. Everything will work out. Times are crazy, I know. Let's not make them worse. It'll all work out. And so there's week one, so I'm looking in Canvas right now. So there's week one, and there's everything we need for week one. Normally I hold off on the vocab for chapter one. I like kind of doing the vocab later, which seems weird, but we're just going to jump into it since I already had the videos made. So we're just going to start with chapter one. Some of chapter 2, and then jump into 3.5. So everything's there, ready to go. There's videos. It should be pretty self-explanatory. In Canvas, if you click on Files, you'll be able to find the syllabus. Once I kind of just threw summer 2020 onto that syllabus. It's just your sort of standard syllabus. The only thing that's really important, everyone be cool and chill. Positive learning environment. Everyone be super nice to each other. We're all best friends for the next 8 weeks. Let's see, page 3, 4, good gosh, page, what is that, 5? Page 5, it breaks down what everything is worth. So notice there's one final exam. I'm on page 5. One final exam worth 30%. 3 exams worth 55%. So the 3 exams and the one final, that's 85%. And then we've got some projects, homework, quizzes. And we're using the standard grading system of 90, 80, 70, 60 for A's, B's, C's, D's, etc. And there's a little formula to figure out your grade. I don't like keeping you informed as to what your current grade is because it's kind of misleading if I incorporate the homework or if I don't. So basically at any point in time, if your question is what's my current grade in the class, it's just the average of your test scores. And that's pretty much what I'll say if you ask me. One thing that's kind of weird, because we're remote, I'm going to do this, so I'm back on page 1. The final is on August 13th, Thursday. Our class meets Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. I'm going to have a component on the tests. I haven't really thought this one through too much, but let's pretend this is going to magically work out well, where one of the components is you and I will meet in a Google Meet or something, and I'll be like, okay, so how would you do this problem? And then you talk me through it. Seems like a good idea right now, but it'll probably be a horrible idea. We'll find out. What else is important? Okay, so once again, what I normally do is right before class starts, so office hours are right before class. So around 6 p.m. in announcements in Canvas, I'll post a link for a Google Meet. And then you can click on that and then ask questions all night long. Or if you don't have questions, then you just watch the videos and do your homework. Hopefully that makes sense. So once again, this week, I'm hoping I'm going to have an internet connection. But this video right now is my little message to you of like, oh my God, things are crazy in my world because I can't be here because people are working on my apartment and COVID and blah, blah, blah. So, muy complicado. I will try and post that. If not, I will say, hey, my internet connection is not good enough. or I'll send out a class email. Again, it'll all work out. Be cool. Don't freak out. Everything will work out well. I think I covered everything important on the syllabus. Basically, you'll notice when I assign homework inside of Canvas, so there'll be like, do chapter 3.5, questions 1 through 11 odd. And then so once you do that, then you take a picture of it, or some people type it up, save it as a doc. Take a picture, save it as a doc, and then you just upload it into Canvas. So hopefully that's how things were in your class last semester, maybe. If not, everything's pretty simple. Last semester, all my students figured it out. It was really no big deal. And 8 weeks, summer school. Okay. This seems like a good plan. So I will be in touch soon. And again, this is the first week. First week is usually super difficult for the instructor. My week is going to be extra difficult, so please be patient with me, and hopefully everything works out well. Welcome to statistics class. 8 more weeks together. It's going to be fun. Okay. Peace.